Hello, and welcome to the EZRaider Academy. In this video, we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts while cleaning your EZRaider. Before washing it, make sure that the vehicle is turned off and take out the key. Water entering the key housing will cause permanent damage. While washing the vehicle, make sure that the charging socket is closed in order to prevent corrosion. Avoid washing the motors, the wheels, and the power junctions directly. Keep a 2-meter distance from the vehicle while washing it in order to protect the sensitive components stored under the board. Do not wash the handlebars with direct water pressure. We recommend using wet wipes, thus preventing water from damaging the switches and rubber seals. After drying, oil the eye joints and the folding mechanism with WD silicone spray. That's it. Have a pleasant and safe trip.